Hello, my name is Dion Durr. We're here to showcase our beautiful sunset double arch door today. All right guys, so we're on this sunset double arch door today, okay? This is actually a really hard door to make. Probably one of the hardest doors that we have. Only because of all these twists at the end. These are all hand beaten. It's a 5/8 stick solid piece of metal that's been heated and banged by hand to create these little shapes. Again, none of this stuff, none of our doors, unless specified, is laser cut. So these are all straight bars that we got and heated up and created these shapes by welding, grinding, and all that stuff. Okay, so it's got dimension to it, and it's got little imperfections, which makes it beautiful. It's a pretty complicated door. So this is a 72 by 96 inch door, which measures from outside to outside 72 inches. This is how all of our doors get measured. And 96 inches from the bottom of the threshold all the way to the top of the frame. This is oil rub bronze. This has rain glass that's being featured on this door right now. Different glass types are available and different colors are available if needed on special order. And also we make this door in different shapes. Single door, flat top, and all the different shapes also, and different sizes. Now, you notice these iron handles that probably got your attention. These are awesome. Note that this is standard for this specific door. If you like 4 boreholes, just let us know. But you can also add these handles to any of our doors that we have in stock or any of your special order doors. Okay, you're not limited in not getting these handles. You can do this to any handle, any door you like. This is standard to this door. This is how we decided we're gonna make these doors. I think it's a really cool door. It's got glass all the way down, no kick plate, so it lets in a lot of light. One deadbolt, so you can put a deadbolt on. And I'll show you guys when I flip it around how the door stays shut when the deadbolt's not activated, okay? That's pretty much it. I'm gonna flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. All right guys, so we're on the back side of the sunset. Show you guys how the glass opens. You untwist the knobs, flick it over. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Almost forgot that for a second. Flick it over, glass opens up. This allows you to clean the glass, clean the scroll work. On special order doors, you can also add an optional screen for additional charge. We'll make it with the screen. All of our doors have dual glaze 5/8 stick glass on them, tempered, quarter inches on each pane of glass, okay? This is what I was talking about. So let me flick this in. These roller catches are what actually keeps the door shut and caught when the deadbolt's not activated. Almost all of our doors have that. This specific door will have it for sure, because you're gonna have to with this deadbolt setup. That's pretty much it. I think it's a pretty simple door. We got the greasable hinges. If you guys don't like these little nipples on top, you're more than welcome to unscrew them and take them off if you don't like them. But those little nipples allow you to put a grease gun on and lube the hinges if needed over time, okay? That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Thank you for watching our showcase on our sunset double arch door today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677, or you can leave some comments and we'll try to get them answered as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.